Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Yes, I know I'm blonde, I look different, I'm the same person, same fun, nerdy personality, yay! So today we're making a Burmese dish. We're making SHAN sticky noodles, aka KHAUT SEW. It's a really delicious dish with a lot of ingredients that you might not think will work together, but it certainly does. It was one of my favorite dishes when I was in Myanmar. There aren't a lot of Burmese restaurants in Vancouver, so hopefully I can do the dish justice. But enough of me talking, let's get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell in the top right corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!